The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Friday morning, it is the 6th day of October. Glad you're here this morning. A lot of very important information about the future of NATE and how it's going to affect us. There's no longer any question marks on where NATE is going. All the spaghetti models are together, so there's agreement now. So my job on this video is to update you on NATE's track, NATE's timeline, which has speeded up, by the way, and also the intensity and the impacts for Alabama, exactly what we can expect here. Let's get into the meat and potatoes right now. Tropical storm Nate back over water this morning, just east of Honduras, with winds of 45 miles per hour, moving north-northwest at about 14 miles per hour. Air Force reconnaissance is in the system right now. The new cone from the National Hurricane Center shows an interaction with the Yucatan, possibly close to hurricane strength in the next 24 hours later today, and then into the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, where it becomes a Category 1 hurricane and heads for the central Gulf Coast, and then farther northeastward as it weakens to a tropical storm. This will get your attention. This is the close-up of the cone. Shows 1 a.m. Sunday close to the southeastern, the mouth of the Mississippi River. And then it takes it into southwest Alabama and right through the heart of central Alabama. Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. So we're on the right side of it. There is a hurricane watch in effect from Morgan City, Louisiana to the Alabama-Florida state line, and a tropical storm watch for the Alabama coast and east to Destin, Florida. And then during the day Saturday, scattered showers will begin certainly by midday into the afternoon hours, increasing Saturday night, with increasing winds late Saturday night into early Sunday. Here is landfall late Saturday night, wee hours of Sunday morning, about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning on Saturday night, Sunday morning. And this is Sunday afternoon. That'll get your attention. Look at that. We are affected by a tropical storm, and we are on the east side of the track. So that's going to be a very interesting Sunday for the state of Alabama, with many impacts, including the threat of spin-up tornadoes. This is from the Storm Prediction Center, showing tornado risk over central and south Alabama, east of the center of Nate as it moves ashore. Here is the European. We'll walk you through the maps. This is Sunday morning at 1 a.m., making landfall in southeast Louisiana, over the New Orleans metro area, Sunday morning at 7 a.m., and heading in the general direction of southwest Alabama after that. And I think by Monday, let's say 7 a.m. in the morning, it's all the way in through northeast Alabama, maybe near Chattanooga, with a trailing plume of moisture continuing Monday here. So we'll still see a few leftover lingering Nate showers. For us, tropical storm force wind gusts certainly possible. And locally heavy rainfall, spin-up tornado risk Sunday and Sunday night. That's what we're expecting here. We'll keep updating this and beefing it up as we go through the day today, and there'll be another video, of course, tomorrow morning. Rainfall totals will be particularly heavy. Prolific rainfall totals over southeast Mississippi, southwest Alabama, western Alabama. Then let's say most of us will see maybe 1 to 3, maybe 2 to 4 inches. Let's say 2 to 4 would be a good guess for a lot of us. All right, for Tuesday morning, there is a frontal system coming into northwest Alabama. That's the front that will be steering Nate away from us. And by Wednesday morning, it is in through, it's going to be coming into across the state of Alabama. And so that's going to bring in maybe a couple of lingering showers Wednesday, and then some really nice air back behind it. In fact, I think by Thursday, we are breezy, cooler, and really into some great air. And by then, Nate will be a distant memory. For us today, it's going to be a hot day. We'll be teetering close to 90 degrees, mostly sunny, with a low tonight down to about 64. East winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, of course, rain chances increase dramatically, with scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially by Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and an increasing threat Sunday night as the winds increase, and also the spin-up tornado threat increases. 85 Monday with the lingering showers, and then better weather by the middle of next week. In fact, by late next week, around Thursday, look at that, 80 for a high maybe, a low of 62 in the morning. We like that. Your best friend over the next few days is going to be our weather app. I hope you have it on your phone, and please pass the word to your friends. Hourly forecasts, push notifications for watches and warnings, plus the latest on the tropics, and access to all my blogs and all my videos as well. Get it on your phone today. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather. There will be updates throughout the day. In fact, another important update later on this afternoon, of course, on the latest timeline especially. Is Nate going to speed up? And what about the intensity? Is that going to change? We'll let you know. And there'll be another special video for you tomorrow morning online by about dawn. and live on the radio this morning. We'll be talking about it on News Talk 93.1 from 6 to 9 a.m. Your forecast across the dial whenever you want it on 8 radio stations. That's the Blue Water family of stations where we will be with you this weekend. Have a good day today, and I'll keep you up to date. See you.
Rich Thomas weather.